Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming firmware and OS compatibility because sensors rely on up-to-date software. Open the AirPods case near your device and accept the pairing dialog. This activates the connection channel. Once paired, go into Settings and enable automatic ear detection and hearing or motion permissions so sensors can read proximity and in-ear status. Make sure Bluetooth stays on while you configure other options. Without an active connection, the sensors cannot report data or trigger audio routing and gestures. Now you configure the sensor actions to match your workflow, because how the hardware reacts matters more than default settings. Open the AirPods control panel to map presses or squeezes to play, pause, skip tracks, or summon Siri. Choose what you use most. Adjust automatic ear detection so playback pauses reliably when you remove one bud. Make sure call audio routing sends sound to the intended device. Finally, enable spatial audio or head tracking if available, and test using stereo or surround content to confirm behavior. Finish by systematically testing every sensor-driven behavior so you can trust day-to-day use. Try music playback, incoming calls, and removing a bud to confirm automatic pause. Also test noise controls and spatial tracking. If a sensor is flaky, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds, then repair. This clears corrupted preferences. Make sure batteries are charged and gently clean the sensor areas with a dry, soft brush. Dust or debris is a frequent cause of false readings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.